Believe in yourself, you can do this. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and today, you're taking that step towards a brighter future. You don't need years of experience to succeed in real estate. What you need is the willingness to learn and the courage to take action. You just need the right mindset, a mindset that embraces challenges and sees opportunities where others see obstacles. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn. Every expert was once a beginner, and every successful investor started with a single property. It's okay to feel overwhelmed at first. Everyone starts somewhere. The key is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Embrace the challenge and stay positive. Your attitude will determine your altitude in this business. Remember, real estate investing is a journey. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. Plan your route, set your goals, and stay the course. There will be ups and downs, the market will fluctuate, and there will be moments of doubt. But these are just part of the process. But with determination and perseverance, you can achieve your goals. Each contract you sign brings you one step closer to your dreams. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are not failures, but lessons that will guide you to make better decisions in the future. They are valuable learning opportunities. Discuss them, analyze them, and use them to grow stronger and wiser. Focus on your strengths and find ways to leverage them. Whether it's your analytical skills, your ability to connect with people, or your knack for spotting great deals. Are you good with numbers? Use that to your advantage to analyze deals and forecast returns. Maybe you excel at networking. Building relationships is key in real estate. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll have. Identify your skills and use them to your advantage. Negotiation, analysis, networking, all these skills will serve you well. Most importantly, remember you are capable of achieving great things. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Don't let fear hold you back. Face it head on and use it as a stepping stone to grow and improve. Take that first step and start building your real estate empire today. The future is in your hands, and the possibilities are endless. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and watch your dreams turn into reality. Knowledge is power. In the world of real estate, this couldn't be more true. The more you know, the more confident and capable you'll be in making smart investment decisions. Become a real estate whiz. It's not just about buying and selling properties, it's about understanding the market, recognizing opportunities, and making informed choices that lead to success. Education is crucial in real estate investing. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of real estate investment, such as understanding market trends, property valuation, and financing options. Luckily, there are countless resources available to help you learn the ropes. From books and online tutorials to podcasts and webinars, the options are endless. Take advantage of these resources to build a solid foundation of knowledge. The internet is your friend. Explore reputable real estate websites, blogs, and forums. These platforms offer a wealth of information and can connect you with experienced investors who share their insights and experiences. Watch informative YouTube channels hosted by experienced investors. These channels often provide step-by-step guides, case studies, and expert advice that can help you navigate the complexities of real estate investing. These resources provide valuable insights, tips, and strategies for success. Take notes, highlight key points, and revisit the material as needed to reinforce your understanding. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Consider attending real estate seminars, workshops, or online courses. These programs offer structured learning experiences and opportunities to connect with industry professionals who can provide mentorship and guidance. These programs offer structured learning experiences and opportunities to connect with industry professionals. Networking with other investors can open doors to new opportunities and partnerships that can enhance your investment portfolio. Remember, knowledge is an ongoing process. Stay updated on market trends, financing options, and legal regulations. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow market analysts, and regularly review market reports to stay informed. The real estate landscape is constantly evolving, and continuous learning will keep you ahead of the game. By staying informed and adaptable, you'll be better prepared to navigate changes in the market and seize new opportunities as they arise. Find your tribe. Connect with fellow investors. Networking is essential in the real estate world. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can offer support, guidance, and inspiration. Join local real estate investment groups or attend meetups in your area. These gatherings provide opportunities to connect with experienced investors, real estate agents, and other professionals. Online communities and forums are also valuable resources for connecting with fellow investors. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your experiences. Building relationships with other investors can open doors to new opportunities. You can learn from their successes and mistakes, find potential partners, and gain valuable insights into the local market. Get creative with financing, partnerships, and crowdfunding. Financing doesn't have to be a barrier to entry in real estate investing. Explore creative options like partnerships and crowdfunding to fund your deals. Partnering with other investors allows you to pool resources, share risks, and access larger investment opportunities. Look for partners with complementary skills and a shared investment philosophy. Crowdfunding platforms have emerged as a popular way to raise capital for real estate projects. These platforms connect investors with borrowers, allowing you to invest in fractional ownership of properties. Remember to thoroughly research any financing option and understand the terms and conditions before committing. It's essential to protect your investment and ensure a transparent and trustworthy partnership. Due diligence is key. Research, analyze, and understand. Before investing in any property, thorough due diligence is crucial. This involves researching the property, analyzing market trends, and understanding the associated risks. Research the property's history, condition, and rental potential. Obtain a professional inspection to identify any hidden problems. Analyze comparable properties in the area to determine a fair market value. Understand the local real estate market. Research rental rates, vacancy rates, and property taxes. Analyze market trends to assess the potential for appreciation and cash flow. Investing in real estate carries inherent risks. Understand the potential downsides, such as market fluctuations, property damage, or tenant issues. Factor in these risks and have contingency plans in place. Patience pays off. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Just like a marathon requires careful planning, pacing, and endurance, so does real estate investing. You can't expect to see immediate results or quick profits. Instead, you need to be prepared for a journey that requires time, effort, and a lot of patience. Real estate investing is a long-term game. It's about making strategic decisions, understanding market trends, and being willing to wait for the right opportunities. The properties you buy today may not show significant returns immediately, but over time, with the right management and market conditions, they can become highly profitable. Don't expect to get rich quick. The process of building wealth through real estate is gradual. It involves finding the right properties, securing financing, managing renovations, and dealing with tenants. Each step requires careful attention and a willingness to invest time and resources. Patience and persistence are essential for success. Negotiating deals, managing properties, and navigating market fluctuations all require a steady hand and a long-term perspective. It's not about making a quick buck, but about building a sustainable and profitable portfolio over time. It takes time to find the right deals, build a portfolio, and generate substantial returns. Each property you acquire is a step towards building your wealth, but it requires careful planning, due diligence, and a willingness to wait for the right opportunities. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks or slow progress. Every investor faces challenges, whether it's a deal that falls through, unexpected repair costs, or market downturns. The key is to stay resilient, learn from your experiences, and keep moving forward. Stay focused on your goals and continue to learn and grow. Set clear milestones for your investing journey and celebrate each achievement, no matter how small. Continuous learning and adaptation are crucial in the ever-changing real estate market. The more you invest, the more experience you gain, and the better you'll become at navigating the market. Attend workshops, network with other investors, and stay informed about market trends. This knowledge will help you make better decisions and improve your investment strategy. Remember, real estate is a tangible asset that appreciates over time. Unlike stocks or other investments, real estate provides a physical asset that can increase in value, provide rental income, and offer tax benefits. By holding on to your investments for the long term, you benefit from increased equity, rental income, and potential tax advantages. Over time, your properties can generate steady cash flow and appreciate in value, contributing to your overall wealth. Enjoy the journey and celebrate your successes along the way. Each successful deal, each renovation completed, and each tenant moved in is a milestone worth celebrating. These moments of success are what make the journey worthwhile. Real estate investing can be challenging but also incredibly rewarding. The challenges you face, whether it's dealing with difficult tenants, managing renovations, or navigating market fluctuations, are all part of the journey. But with each challenge comes the opportunity for growth and learning. With dedication, perseverance, and a long-term mindset, you can achieve financial freedom and build a legacy for your future. Real estate investing is not just about making money, it's about creating a lasting impact, securing your financial future, and leaving a legacy for generations to come.